Ever since I published this video about 3 weeks ago, I've received lots of emails from folks who have lots of questions about my Avid CNC. Some of them are just a little curious, some of them maybe a little inquisitive, and then other folks are, well, just downright nosy. So I thought I would do a video and show my Avid CNC and talk about the options that I got with it and tell you all exactly how much everything cost me and why I decided to make this purchase. On the Avid CNC website, they have a section called Pro CNC Machine Kits, and they have a section called Standard CNC Machine Kits. The Standard CNC Machine Kits come in a 4x2, 4x4, and a 4x8 model. The Pro CNC Machine Kits come in those three models, as well as a 5x5 and a 5x10. I decided to go with what they call their Pro 4848. Okay, so let me tell you what's included in that part of the kit. You get the aluminum extrusion. All of that is cut to length, drilled and canterboard, tapped. Really makes it easy to assemble. You get the Pro linear guide rails along with the bearings. You can't really see the bearings here, but there's a total of 8 of those. You get dust cover that goes over to help keep that linear rail clean. You get the Pro X and Y bumper kits. You get the Pro rack and pinion drives and the Pro gear rack. The ball screw Z axis. And then of course you get all the required fasteners and hardware that you need to assemble this. And then you get the cable E-track for the wire management. This part of the kit was $42.75 if you get it for the NEMA 23s. But I decided to go with the NEMA 34 stepper motors, so it was an extra $100. So that part of the kit for me was $43.75. Next, I decided to go with the NEMA 34 plug-and-play CNC control system. Price for that was $26.05. Then I decided to go with the 2.2 kilowatt plug-and-play spindle VFD system. Price for that was $16.95. Okay, so now I'm just a little bit south of $9,000. So since I've already spent this much, I might as well add the tramming spindle mount for $105. And the Auto Z and corner finding kit is really handy. So I added that for $129.75. And if I'm going to get all that, I might as well get the proximity sensor kit for $245. Okay, so now I'm over $9,000, and I was originally going to build a table / cabinet to set this kit on to try to save some money from buying the leg kit. The leg kit runs about $569. But I figured by the time I bought the materials and then try to figure out when I'm going to have the time to build it, it just was a no-brainer to go ahead and buy the leg kit. So there was another $569. I should also mention that I got a 1-year commercial subscription to the Autodesk Fusion 360 with my purchase. Okay, so I'm under $10,000, but I've still got to get all this stuff all the way from North Bend, Washington. There's a total of 17 cartons. The first 3 cartons are shipped directly from the 80/20 plant in Indiana, and then the other 14 cartons shipped from the Avid CNC place in North Bend, Washington. The total to get all that stuff here was $521.13. I placed my order for this Avid CNC on the 18th of December. The extrusions that were delivered from Indiana came on January 14th, and the balance of the shipment came from Avid CNC and arrived on January 24th, which I thought was really quick considering that the Christmas and New Year's holidays were right there in the middle of that. Okay, so why did I purchase this Avid CNC Pro 4848? I've been wanting to prototype some new products, but I just don't have the open machine time on my Gatton CNC. Now I could have built another Gatton CNC, but I really thought it'd be nice to have a little more grunt as well as speed that the NEMA 34 960 ounce stepper motors, along with the linear rails and the rail bearings, allow me to have with this kit. Now I know the next question I'm going to get is, what kind of new products were you talking about in this video? Well, you're just going to have to stick around to find out what that is. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see what else I do with this Avid CNC as well as my Gatton CNC, be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you'll know every time I do an upload. And I guess that's going to do it for this video, so I thank you very much for watching.